Is this a bit clear? Oh, the shadows are so gross. Okay, it's fine. Anyways, my flight leaves at um 4 a.m. and I'm currently last minute packing because I'm Latino and yep. uh, I apologize for my last video that it literally had the worst audio in this world, but that's fine. I'm gonna be traveling to Colombia and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Again, sorry for the audio and sorry for the picture. It looks horrible, but that's what you gotta deal with until I can afford a camera or something. Yeah. Oh jeez, look how bad the brightness is in here. Okay, whatever. It's fine. I'm just showing you the little things that I'm packing up into that backpack. So here I have stuff that I'm putting into a bag, socks and a bunch of other. There's my dog, yeah, real chill, and I'm gonna put that into that. Okay, so I just finished packing up for my backpack. It's a little bit heavy, but I'm not taking any other like carry-on baggage, like big baggage. Baggage. I got that. Yeah, I have my blanket, which I wish I didn't have to take, but it's also gonna be really cold, and I always get cold when I'm in airplanes, so that's rough. I have everything ready. I just need to charge this phone, and yeah, I'll see you guys.
And the funny papers as
They say in shit. I don't know. Oh, I downloaded 5 Feet Apart, and I wanted to download the last book of, like the third book of Game of Thrones, of Ice and Fire, but I couldn't because I'm poor and it didn't. I bought too many other books and I forgot that I was supposed to buy that one, and I forgot. I still haven't finished Clash of Clans though, because I'm a slow reader. I have 7 hours to go, but that's fine because I have so much time for reading and I'm so excited. You have no idea. Look at that. That's a painting that I did. It's complete crap. But, it do be like that sometimes. So, I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna pack up everything and then we're gonna go to bed. Wake up at 4 a.m. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Good morning. Okay, so it's time to go. It's currently, well, you can't see my face. It's currently 4:34 in the morning, and we're heading to the airport right now. Crazy Mama and Big Boy Octavio is ready and are ready to skedaddle out of the country. So it's back to Wheeler, and we're gonna have a fun time. Oh well, that was too bright. And yeah, I woke up this morning and I did a squat, and everything cracked. It sounds like an ASMR. I'm sorry you guys didn't get that. Anyway, yeah, okay, I'm gonna go now. Peace out, my dudes. So we got to the airport, and that was my mom. She was a real sweet bean. We're walking, and I found a really chill place, which is called Tim Hortons. Wait, well, I saw Chili's first, but we did eat some Tim Hortons, and I had a scrumptious wrap. It was delicious. Put that some of that chipotle, some of that. It was yummy. I'm not gonna lie, I had a good time, and yeah, I think it was perfectly made, real something. Yeah, I was about to board my plane anyways. So, we just landed in Toronto. Yeah, cool stuff. About to wait for like 3 hours. And then we'll be off to Colombia, right? Yeah. So as you see, clearly, ladies and gents, I got some tomato soup because I was hungry, as I always am. So, um, let me tell you, I give it a 5 out of 10 on the taste scale because it was quite the bland soup. But regardless, I ate it. And here are some views of the beautiful, beautiful plane ride. Yeah, so.
Sup guys, I'm in Colombia now, which it's cool. I don't have my headphones, which is rough. Hi dog. This is my cousin. And I'm in Colombia. I don't have my headphones, so the audio's probably gonna be really bad. Okay, let's go to my house then. Me and my cousin live in the same junto. Look at my shoes. Okay. And I can't get my fucking shoes on. Okay. So it's a really nice place. Look, there's the dog and there's my cousin. And I really hope the audio turns out on this. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry.
Y luego lo vamos a subir a la YouTube para los colombianos que estén viendo esto.
Que colombianos. Yeah, it's a really pretty place. That I didn't get to film that last part because I was scared that my phone was gonna be stolen. It'd be like that sometimes, but it's okay. Yeah, gorgeous place. Yeah, and I'm a go now. So yeah, that's the.
Entonces vamos a almorzar, entonces déjenos tranquilas. Chao.
This is the end of this vlog, and we'll come up with something stupid for another video. But I'm almost done editing this one, so yeah. Bye.
Bye.